saw. Ain't I right? They'll tell you. And another one came up at us and grabbed this ship. And another one. And a whole lot of them. They dragged it under. Just like I told you. I keep seeing those things coming up at us. Been drinking? What do you find a drink on a life raft outside of water? A blow on the head, anything like that. I'm all right. Don't you believe me about those? Of course I believe you about those. Why shouldn't I? Yost, I want you to go along with this fellow. He's just going to take you down the hall. There's a man there with a white smock just like mine. I want you to tell him all about those. See that he gets to dock. All right, you're next. How about you? Having any trouble with things like this?
This is Doc Harrington.
He's one of the staff. I ain't seen anything like that.
You can tell Doc for us, we ain't seen nothing.
Oh, I know he's lying as well as you do, but I have to account to Washington, and I justified in spending $500,000 searching the Pacific on the strength of these lies.
Glenn speaking. Thank you. This is the infirmary. Doc says the patient's as bad as any of these boys. He's recanted his original story, and I won't say anything else. Can he be released?
I think it's my turn now. Tell them to let him go. And not till after I get there. Send the call, please. And don't come back unless I call you. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Let me light it for you.
You ever one yourself?
Sure will.
Maybe you could tell me where I can find Doc.
Doc? He's through there, down the hall. You want him for?
Oh, well, that's kind of personal. Besides,